Hello, my name is Wendy Lugo Santiago, and I want to show you how to get your branded LinkedIn URL for your LinkedIn profile. So once you sign in into LinkedIn, you need to go into your profile. You can do that right here on your Me button. You click on it and go to View Profile. Once you're in your profile, you see right here on the right-hand side where it says Edit Public Profile and URL, and you click on that. Once you go in, you have right up here on the top right corner, you can see personalize the URL for your profile, and you have that little pencil mark. So you cannot change the www.linkedin.com/LinkedIn/, but you can personalize whatever you put after. Remember, your custom URL must contain 5 to 30 letters or numbers. Don't use spaces, symbols, or special characters. Once you put it in, you click Save. If it is already taken, LinkedIn will let you know that it's taken, and if it's not taken, you will just simply get that message that you just saw up there that it was a success and now you have a personalized URL. I hope this helps. Thank you very much. Bye.